नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नमो वेंकटेशाय. Our Swastim is happy to welcome you all to this wonderful session of divine session of Sri Venkateswara Suprabhadam. We can proceed with the prayer and pledge. Before that, happy Vishukani to all. Happy Chitrai Tirunal Nalvartikal. Those who didn't get chance so far can raise your hands. Then only we are able to call you, ma'am. So please cooperate with us. Only the repeated candidates, repeated devotees are raising the hands. So please cooperate. Prabhagarji, Prayerji.
Om Namo Narayana, madam.
Namo Narayana.
Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shri Rama Nama Varanana Om Nama Iti Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare.
Thank you,
Om
sir.
Namo Narayana.
Please stay back. We'll call you for revision.
Yes, madam.
Hima Binduji.
Om
Hima
Namo
Binduji.
Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Guruji.
Narayana.
Madam, I want to read also sloka is also, madam.
Yeah,
After
yeah.
completing everything.
You two will be
Thank you.
getting chance today to Guruji also and also for revision. Now proceed with the
Okay, thank
pledge.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ. భారతదేశవాసి నందిగామ నగరంలో నివసిస్తున్న హిమబిందు అనే నేను శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామాన్ని భావితరాల వారికి వ్యాపింపచేస్తాను. ఆ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ ఆశీర్వాదంతో నా దినచర్య మొదలు పెడతాను. నా తల్లిదండ్రులు మరియు గురువులను అత్యంత గౌరవిస్తూ దేవునితో సమానంగా పూజిస్తాను. స్త్రీ జాతినంతటినీ మాతృమూర్తితో సమానంగా ఆదరిస్తాను మరియు పెద్దలందరినీ మార్గదర్శకులుగా భావిస్తాను. నేను హృదయము, మనస్సు మరియు పర్యావరణ స్వచ్ఛత కోసం కృషి చేస్తాను. నా మాతృభూమి గౌరవాన్ని మెరుగుపరిచి సామరస్యం కోసం ప్రయత్నిస్తాను. నేను నా కుటుంబ, సామాజిక మరియు సాంస్కృతిక వారసత్వ సంరక్షకురాలిగా ఉంటానని ప్రతిజ్ఞ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ ప్రతిజ్ఞతో నేను శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర సుప్రభాతాన్ని స్తోత్ర పారాయణంను ప్రారంభిస్తాను.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much. Pandima Devi Ji, have you get a chance with Guruji? So far, have you got one?
மேம் குருஜிட்ட இன்னும் நான் பாடவே இல்லை மேம் ஒரு தடவை கூட.
ஓகே ஓகே மேம்.
இன்னைக்கு சான்ஸ் கிடைக்குமா? ஓகே மேம், தேங்க்யூ.
ப்ளீஸ் ஸ்டே பேக். ஓகே. दिव्या जी.
ओम नमो नारायणाय.
ओम नमो नारायणाय. श्लोका नंबर 18 जी.
18?
श्लोका नंबर 18. You are from which place ji?
USA అండి, Dallas.
Dallas,
USA.
Okay, okay. Have you got chance with the Guruji ji?
No ma'am.
Oh. Please wait and do the revision for 18th sloka.
Okay. सूर्येन्दु भौम बुधवाक्पति काव्य सौरि स्वर्भानु केतु दिविशत् परिषत् प्रधानाः त्वद्दासदासचरमावधिदासदासाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
Venkata. Theater ji.
श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव
Da.
सुप्रभातम्
Venkata.
Okay.
Venkata. TA. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Please note. Prabhagar ji.
Madam, I
Prabhagar.
already chanted. I am not chanted with Guruji. Shall I
Okay,
chant
then you
now?
will be getting chance. Okay.
Okay.
Ma Bindu ji.
Himabindu with Guruji has to get chance.
Okay then. Hari Om Nalima.
Himabindu, raise your hand and keep ma.
Pandima
We'll call
Devi.
you for Guruji's recitation.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
All those who chanted now, as Rajima said, please raise your hand and keep. All of you have to chant with Guruji. Those who have chanted, please don't raise hand again, ma. Ma, number 9 கூப்பிடுங்க.
Number 9, Gandhi Reddy.
போயிடுச்சு.
Mohan Durga.
9 இப்ப 8 ஆயிடுச்சு.
Gandhi Reddy.
ஆமா.
Already opened Pandima Devi ji.
Yes.
Call after her. Pandima ji.
Om Namo Narayana madam.
Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana.
எங்கிருந்து வரீங்கம்மா?
Om Namo Narayana madam.
Ma, 1 second, please wait. Pandima Devi ji is online. Afterwards, you can.
எத்தனை ஸ்லோகம்?
Ma, உங்க லொகேஷன் சொல்லுங்க.
தமிழ்நாடு, மதுரை.
ஓகே, 19th one ji.
ஓகே. तत्पादधूलि भरिदस्फुरितोत्तमांगा है स्वर्गा भवर्ग
பவர்க நாட் பக்தி பதம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, பக்கம் அந்த பா.
ஸ்வர்க பவர்க நிரபேக்ஷ
ஸ்வர்கா அங்க நெடில் இருக்கு. ஸ்வர்கா பவர்க
குரில் தான் மேம் இருக்கு. பவர்க
பவர்க ஸ்வர்கா
ஸ்வர்கா ஸ்வர்கா பவர்க நிரபேக்ஷ நிஜாந்தரங்காக.
நிஜாந்த அங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தமிழ் தங்கம் தட்டு.
நிஜாந்தரங்காக கல்பாகமா கலனயா குலதாம் லபந்தே ஸ்ரீவேங்கடாச்சலபதே தவ சுப்ரபாதம். தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
चैतन्य जी.
ओम नमो नारायण.
नमो नारायण. राम जी.
कनाडा.
Okay. Proceed with 20th shloka ji.
त्वद्गोपुराग्रशिखराणि निरीक्षमाणाः स्वर्गापवर्गपदवीं परमां श्रयन्तः मर्त्या मनुष्यभुवने मतिमाश्रयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपदे तव सुप्रभातम्.
श्री वेंकटाचलपते ता.
श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
वेंक डा not da not da ta. श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Thank you, ma.
Can
Muniyappan
I get
Purushottam. Yes, ma.
can I get a chance to recite with the Guruji?
Yeah. So far you didn't get, no?
No, never.
Please wait.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Muniyappan Purushottam, please.
Raise your hand and keep ma.
Hello, madam.
Everybody-
Namaskar, madam. Purushothaman.
Yes, Ji.
Madam, I am
21 Ji.
Purushothaman from Saukarpet, Chennai, madam.
Thank you, Ji.
Okay.
மேடம் நான் என்னோட சன்னோட வீட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். குடுவாஞ்சூர்ல இருக்கேன். மெட்டீரியல் எதுவும் எடுத்துட்டு வரல. நீங்க சொல்ல நான் திருப்பி சொல்றேன் மேடம்.
Okay. Sri Bhuminayaka.
ஸ்ரீ பூமிநாயக ஸ்ரீ பூமிநாயக ஹயாதி ஹயாதி
Gunamrutabhye.
குணாமிருதாயே
Gunamrutabhye.
ஹே மேடம்.
De. Third D.
ஓ தேர்ட் டே. ஓகே. குணாமிருதே
Gunamrutabhye.
गुणामृता है
Tab de Ji.
गुणामृता है
Tab de.
दे. ओके. गुणामृदे गुणामृदे
No.
ओ ता
Without
है
PDF you
ता
can't
दे.
cancel.
ओके. गुणामृता ते गुणामृता दे
Devadidev.
देवादिदेव देवादिदेव
Jagadek.
जगदेग जगदेग
Deka. Kalvi.
जगदेख
Kalpagam.
जगदेख
Charanyamurte.
चरण्यमूर्ते चरण्यमूर्ते
Sriman Ananta.
श्रीमन् अनंत श्रीमन् अनंत
Gardadi.
गर्डादि गर्डादि
Hirarchitangre.
विरचितारे
Virarchitangre.
विरचितांग्रे विरचितांग्रे
Sri Venkatachalapate.
श्री वेंकटाचलपते श्री वेंकटाचलपते
Tava Suprabhatam.
तव सुप्रभातम तव सुप्रभातम.
Thank you, Ji. It's highly difficult without PDF. So,
Yes, madam. No, anyway, daily I was doing. Yesterday I had come here.
okay.
So anyway, I had raised my hands. Last week also I was in traveling.
No, sir.
Even
Without
then,
PDF, should not raise the hand. Okay. It's highly
okay,
difficult to
madam.
follow. Okay.
Okay, madam. Hereafter I'll
Since
do.
it is an auspicious day, I don't want to.
Okay. Thank you very much. It is very okay. எல்லாருக்கும் இனிய தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு வாழ்த்துக்கள் மேடம்.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Leelaji, please.
Yes, madam.
21 G.
Okay. Leela from
22.
Mavinahalli.
We can proceed with 22.
Okay, madam.
Where ma? Location?
Tumkuru, Mavinahalli, madam.
Okay. Thank you.
Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardhana Chakrapane Srivatsa Chinha Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Excellent, ma. Only one correction in Janardana. That is not it. That is not T. Third D. Okay. Janardana Chakrapane. Not Magaprana, not Alpaprana. Janardana, third D. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Thank you
Thank
so much. Thank you so much. Next person. Anuradha ji. Anuradha Pataki ji.
Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Leela ji, please go on mute. Okay. 22 ji, ma'am.
22.
23rd.
गन्धर्पदर्पहर सुन्दर दिव्यमूर्ते कान्ताकुचाम्बुरः कुट्मललोल दृष्टे कल्याण निर्मल गुणाकर दिव्यकीर्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Thank you, ma. In the second line, Kanta Kucham Buruga, not Buraga. Kanta Kucham Buruga.
कान्ताकुचाम्बुरुह कुट्मललोल दृष्टे.
Third line also.
कल्याण निर्मल गुणाकर दिव्य कीर्ते.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Your place, location, ma? Karnataka, Dharwad. Dharwad. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Karnataka.
Thank you.
Guruji, namaskaram, Guruji.
Namaskaram, ma. Best wishes. My
Namaskaram,
phone has
Guruji.
gone out of order, so நான் email பண்ணிருக்கேன் காயத்ரி ஸ்ரீராம் ஆதித்யாவோட மதருக்கு அந்த PowerPoint. You tell Aditya to download it and show it. The PowerPoint.
Okay.
Okay. Best wishes to all the student devotees, and today is the Tamil New Year Day. எல்லோருக்கும் தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். விஸ்வாவசு புது வருடம் பிறந்திருக்கிறது. இந்த வருடம், இந்த புதிய வருடத்திலே உங்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் நீண்ட ஆயுளும் நிறைந்த செல்வமும் நிறைந்த ஆரோக்கியமும் எல்லா விதமான வளங்களும் நலங்களும் உங்களுக்கு சேர வேண்டும். You get all the prosperity, long happy life, and all your good wishes, let it be fulfilled by Lord Venkateshwara. With this New Year wishes, we start today classes. Om Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasitthaya Namo Namaha Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Sphatikakritim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrevom Upasmake Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. செடியாய வல்வினைகள் தீர்க்கும் திருமாலே நெடியானே வெங்கடவா நின் கோயிலின் வாசல் அடியாரும் வானவரும் அறம்பயரும் கிடந்தியங்கும் படியாய் கிடந்து நின் பவளவாய் காண்பேனே. அடியாரும் வானவரும் அறம்பயரும் கிடந்தியங்கும் படியாய் கிடந்து நின் பவளவாய் காண்பேனே. Om Namo Venkateshaya. Today we will start the next sloka. Yeah.
Leela ji.
Yes, madam. Om Namo Narayana, Guruji.
Om Namo Narayana. Best wishes to you. 24th sloka. Yeah. Meena krite.
Meena krute. Meena krute.
No, Krishna, not Kru. Kru. Meena krite.
Meena krute.
Once more.
Meena krute.
It should be like that only. Yeah. Kamatha.
Kamatha. Kamatha.
Kola.
Kola. Kola.
Nrasimha.
Nrasimha.
Yeah.
Nrasimha.
Correct. Varnin.
Varnin. Varnin.
No, that in we have to slightly extend, like Mahan. In Vishnu Sahasranam also, when it comes at the end, Mahan, we pronounce it as Mahan. Like that, here also Halant is there. That the finishing touch we have to give. Varnin.
Varnin.
Yeah. Swamin.
Swamin. Swamin.
Parashvatha.
Parashvatha. Parashvatha.
Tapodhana.
Tapodhana. Tapodhana.
Ramachandra.
Ramachandra. Ramachandra.
Shesham Sharama.
Shesham Sharama. Shesham Sharama.
Yadunandana.
Yadunandana. Yadunandana.
Kalki Rupa.
Kalki Rupa. Kalki Rupa.
Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Shri Venkatachalapate.
You have to give Shri, you have to give 2 matra. Ve also you have to give 2 matra. Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Shri Venkatachalapate.
Shri, you have to extend, ma. Shri, you are giving only 1 matra. Shri Venkat, no. Shri Venkata. 2 matra, 2 matra. Dirgham, na.
Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Correct. Once more.
Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
So you are finding the difference na in Shri.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, best wishes. Thank you. Okay. You are from Hyderabad?
Illa sir, Tumkur, Mavinahalli.
Okay, best wishes. Best wishes. Yeah. Next student devotee.
Prabhagar ji, please.
Namo Venkateshaya, Guruji.
Om Namo Venkateshaya. Yeah. You are from, sir? You tell your identity.
Sorry, sir. I am Prabhakar from Hyderabad, sir.
Best wishes. Yeah. Meena krite kamathakola nrisimha varnin.
Meena krite kamathakola nrisimha varnin. Meena krite.
That in has to be slightly extended.
Yes, sir.
Alanti.
Meena, yes, sir. Meena krite kamatakola nirsimha varnin.
Once more.
Meena krite kamatakola nirsimha varnin.
Yeah, correct. Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra.
Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra. Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra.
Shesham Sharamaya Dunandana Kalki Rupa.
Keshansha Rama Yadunandana Kalki Rupa. Keshansha Rama Yadunandana Kalki Rupa.
Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Shri Venkatachalapate
Sri Venkata,
Tava
no Sri Venkata. Sri Venkata.
Yeah. Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Best wishes. Best wishes. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Next student devotee.
Binduji. Ma Binduji, please unmute.
Om Namo Narayana Guru Guruji.
Om
I am
Namo
from
Narayana.
Krishna.
You
I
are
am from Krishna district, Nandigama.
Oh, Bhagavan Krishna, his name itself is the district, Krishna district. You are all blessed, ma. You are all blessed. Best wishes, ma.
Thank
Best
you,
wishes.
Guruji. Thank you.
Meena krite kamathakola nrisimha varnin Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra Shesham Shavramaya Dunandana Kalki Rupa Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Meena krite kamathakola nrisimhavarnin Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra Shesham Sharama Yadunandana Kalki Rupa Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Best wishes, ma. This shloka is a beautiful shloka which mentions the Dashavataram, 10 avatars of Bhagavan Krishna, Sriman Narayana. This verse from the Sri Venkateshwara Prabhatam beautifully lists out the 10 incarnations of Bhagavan Vishnu, Bhagavan Krishna. Meena Krite. Meena Krite means he is in the form of the fish, Matsya Avataram. Kamataha. Kamataha means it is in the form of tortoise, Amai, Kurma Avataram. Kola, he is in the Kola Varaka Mukti. Kola Varaka, we used to say. So Kola means in the form of Bhor, Varaka Avataram. Narasimha, the name itself says it is in the form of man, lion. Narasimha Avatar. The details of Narasimha Avatar, all the Dashavataram you would have studied while you are coming across with the Dashavatara Namas in Sri Vishnu Sahasranama meaning class B syllabus. Varnin in the form of Brahmachari, Vamana Avataram. Swamin Parashvatha. Swamin Parashvatha. Parash. Sudhanva Khanda Parashu. Khanda Parashu we have seen. So Parashu means Parashvatha. Swamin Parashvatha. In the form of sage with an axe, that is Parashurama Avataram. Tapodhana Ramachandra, in the form of the Punya Murti, Jagam Pugarum Punya Katai Ramanin Katai. So in the form of a virtuous king, Tapodhana. In Vishnu Sahasranam also, we have similar word in Purvangam, Taponidhim. Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shaktet Pautramakalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukatatam Taponidhim. Taponidhim has come here as Tapodhana. Nidhi, Dhanam, both are one and the same. In the form of the virtuous Tavat Selvar, that he is having the treasure of the great tapas, virtues. So in the form of the virtuous king Rama, Avataram Ramachandra Mukti, Sheshamsha Rama. In Krishna Avatara, Adi Sheshan only has come as the companion to Bhagavan Krishna in the form of Balarama. So in the form of Balarama, an incarnation of Shesha, so Adi Sheshan, Shesha. Yadu Nandana, Yadukula Tilakan, the descendant of Yadu dynasty, Yadusreshta Sannivasa Suyamuna, we have Yadusreshta, the descendant of Yadu dynasty, Bhagavan Krishna, Yadu Nandana, Kalki Rupa, in the form of Kalki, the future incarnation after the end of this Kali Yuga is going to come. And the shloka concludes with Shri Venkatachalapati Tava Suprabhatam, invoking the Lord Venkatachala and wishing him an auspicious morning, and is celebrating the Lord's Vishnu's divine manifestations. Matsyavataram, Kurmavataram, Varagavataram, Vamanavataram, Brahmachari, the sage with axe Parashurama, and Balarama, Yadunandana Krishna, Kalki. So, O Dashavatara Rupi, as the Supreme Lord of this universe, Swami, you descended from Sri Vaikuntham to take the 9 avatars so far and are going to take the 10th incarnation of Kalki later. Your avatara nama, your avataranams, that is, you are descending to earth, is mainly to save the universe from the, mainly to save this world from the unrighteousness. Is it not? Paritranaya sadhunam, vinashaya sa dushkritam, dharma samsthapanarthaya, sambhavami yuge yuge. So, and to show the sanmargam to the astikas, so it is only proper that the owner protects his property, and this entire prapancham is in the ownership of Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Vishnu, Sriman Narayan. It is his property, so he has to protect it. He is the protector. O Venkatesha, Lord of Venkatachala, may this be an auspicious dawn to you. O Lord of such auspicious attributes, please awaken and provide succor to your bhaktas who are waiting for your grace at the entrance of your doorstep. Om Namo Venkateshaya. We will move on to the next shloka. Yeah.
Divya ji, please unmute.
Om Namo Narayana Guruji.
Best wishes, ma. From which place?
Dallas, USA and
Dallas. Okay. Yela Lavanga.
Ela Lavanga, Ela Lavanga,
Ganasa Gana
Ghana, Ghana,
Sara
Sara, Sara,
Ganasara
Ghana Sara, Ghana Sara.
It's not a na for nuts.
Anguram.
From the tip of the tongue. Ganasara
Ghanasara.
Yeah.
Ghanasara.
Sugandhi.
Sugandhi. Sugandhi.
Tirtham.
Tirtham. Tirtham.
Sugandhi tirtham.
Sugandhi tirtham. Sugandhi tirtham.
Divyam.
Divyam. Divyam.
Viyatsariti.
Viyatsariti. Viyatsariti.
Hema.
Hema. Hema.
Ghateshu purnam.
Ghateshu purnam. Ghateshu purnam.
Guruji, sorry to disturb
Drittvadya.
Guruji.
Pardon?
Sorry to disturb you, Guruji. In Tamil script, it has given as 2. Sorry, 2.
Sorry. Tamil PDF that Saritu maybe stand corrected to Sariti. The next edition we will correct it. Saritu, it's a 2 is wrongly printed. It's Sariti, you can correct it.
Okay.
Be at Sariti. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Drutvadya apagram has come, so vad will be 2.25 matra. Drutvadya.
Dhrutvadya. Dhrutvadya.
Vaidika.
Vaidika. Vaidika.
Shikhamanaya.
Shikhamanaya. Shikhamanaya.
Prakrishtaha.
Prahrishtaha. Prahrishtaha.
Yeah, second one is correct. Alpha prana only ta. Prakrishtaha.
Prahrishtaha. Prahrishtaha.
Tishtanti.
Tishtanti. Tishtanti.
Venkatapati.
Venkatapate. Venkatapate.
Now you will be able to differentiate between the Tishtanti ta and Venkatapati ta. So Venkatapati ta,
Yes.
both are same group, but the second one is Alpha prana. The first one is Mahaprana. So the second one is pronounced from the tip of the tongue, and the first one is pronounced from the middle of the tongue, upper palate with a lot of strength. So, Tishtanti Venkatapati.
Tishtanti Venkatapate. Tishtanti Venkatapate.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam. Tava Suprabhatam.
Best wishes, ma. Excellent, excellent. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, Guruji.
Chaitanya ji, please.
Om Namo Narayana Guruji.
Best wishes, ma. You are
From Canada. From Canada.
Best wishes, ma. Yela Lavanga Ghanasara Sugandhi Tirtham.
Yela Lavanga Ghanasara Sugandhi Tirtham. Yela Lavanga Ghanasara Sugandhi Tirtham.
Sugandhi, Dhi Mahaprana. I think it has to be.
Sugandhi Tirtham.
Sugandhi Tirtham.
Sugandhi Tirtham. Sugandhi
Divyam
Tirtham.
Viyatsariti Hema Ghateshu Purnam.
Divyam Viyatsariti Hema Ghateshu Purnam. Divyam Viyatsariti Hema Ghateshu Purnam.
Dhritvadya Vaidika Shikhamanaya Prakrishtaha.
Dhrutvadya Vaidika Shikhamanaya.
Dhritatma, we have the Nama in Vishnu Sahasranam. Dhritatma, same Dhr has come. With this Mahaprana like Dhyanam, Lokadhyaksham, Adhyaksham, Swaradhyakshah.
Okay.
Lokadhyakshah, Swaradhyakshah. So,
Dhruta.
The second is this Alpa Prana, first is this Mahaprana. Dhritva Vaidika Shikhamanaya Prakashtaha.
Dhritva Dhyavaidikashikhamanayah pravrushtaha. Dhritva prahrishtaha.
Correct.
Dhritva Dhyavaidikashikhamanayah pravrushtaha.
Shikha Manayaka, no? That Kha will be made as if, because it is Shloka in between coming. Of course, when we take it out, we can say as Shikha Manayaka as an individual word. But when it is added with the other words in one after that, so that is the Sandhi. Sandhi means the letter used to, Shabdam used to connect both the words, both the namas or words. So there Kha will not come, if will come. So accordingly we have to pronounce Shikhamanaya Prakashtaha.
Shikhamanayah pravrushtaha. Shikhamanayah pravrushtaha.
Not Prabha. Prakrishtaha.
Prahrishtaha.
Tishtanti Venkatapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Tishtanti Venkatapate Tava Suprabhatam. Tishtanti Venkatapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Bhatam. Him has to be extended for quarter matra more.
Suprabhatam.
Yeah. Best wishes. Best wishes. We will move on to the next student devotee.
Ganita Reddy ji, please.
Anita Reddy, madam.
Location, please.
Hyderabad Langar House, madam.
Yeah, best wishes. Yela lavanga ghanasara sugandhi tirtham divyam viyatsariti hema ghateshu purnam dhritva dhyavaidika shikhamanaya prakrishtaha tishtanti venkatapate tava suprabhatam.
Ela lavanga ghana sara sugandhi tirtham divyam viyatsariti hema ghateshu purnam dhruktvadya vaidika shikhamana yah pravrushtaha.
Shikhamanaya prakrishtaha.
Shikhamanaya pravrushtaha.
Prakrishtaha. Prakhlatan.
Pravrushtaha. Pravrushtaha. Pravrushtaha.
Prakrishtaha. Hridayam. Hridayam.
Pravrushtaha.
You are telling us. Sukhrita, we are telling SUHR dot. Same way. Prakrishtaha.
Pravrushtaha.
Prakrishtaha. Not proud.
Pravrushtaha.
Prakhlatan prak.
Prahrushtaha.
Yeah, it has come now. Yeah.
Pravrushtaha.
Yeah.
Tishtanti venkatapate tava suprabhatam.
Yeah, once more. Full.
Yela lavanga ghanasara sugandhi tirtham divyam viyatsariti hema ghateshu purnam dhruktvadya vaidika shikhamanaya pravrushtaha tishtanti venkatapate tava suprabhatam.
Best wishes, ma. Best wishes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. So we will quickly see the meaning of this Great shloka, excellent shloka. Dashavataram, it was, we discussed in the previous shloka. Now here in the Sanctum Sanctorum, the Vaidikas, Vaidika Shikhamanaya, Vaidika Shikhamanigal, Vaidika scholars, the best of the Vedic scholars. Ela Lavanga, Ela means Elakai, cardamom. Lavanga means Lavangam, that is the clove. Janasara means it is, we call it as Pachakalpuram, that is put in the Tirtham. Kalpuram, camphor, Pachakalpuram. And these are all Sugandhi, Sugandhi, Sukandam. They are all fragrant substances. The cardamom, clove, and the camphor, Pachakalpuram. Tirtham Divyam. So it is the holy water, divine in nature. Viyatsaritu. It is from the celestial river. Swarga Ganga. Patala Ganga, Swarga Ganga. They take from the Tirumala. And that also, that Tirtham is taken from that Swarga Ganga in Hema Ghateshu Purnam. Ghateshu, you know, in the classical music, there is one vadyam called Ghatam. It looks like a pot, is it not? From that Ghatam gets the name from this Ghateshu. So Purnam means Purna Kumbham. Hema means it is gold. So it is, that water is filled in the golden parts. Purnamaga, full, up to the full level, Purnam is Hema Ghateshu. Ghatam, that is pot, golden pot, it is filled. Dhritva Adya. Adya means today. Dhritva means it is held. Dhritatma, Dhri means it is to hold. So Dharma means the great virtues which we have to hold. So Dharmam, for that root word is Dhri. In Samaskrita, in Vishnu Sahasranam also we have the Nama Dhritatma. Vishwadrig, that also we have. Vishwadrig, Mahaprana. So Dritva Adya, held today, that Vaidika Shikhamanaya, the best of the Vedic scholars. Prahastaka, they are very joyful and delighted. Tishtanti, they are standing in front of you. Venkata, Chalapati, Tavas Prabhatam. Oh Lord Venkata, this is your auspicious morning. The holy water brought from Swarga Ganga, Tirtham Divyam Viyat Sariti, Hema Ghateshu Purnam, filled in the golden parts, Yela Cardamom, Lavanga clove, Ganasara Sukandi, that the camphor, these have been added to that holy water. And the Vaidika Shikhamanaya, the best of the Vedic scholars, are happily waiting to bath you with this water. Dhritva Adya Tishtanti, Venkata Chalapati Tapasuprabhat. So the joyous Vedic scholars, adept in Vedic rituals, are standing in front of your Sannidhi with the golden vessels, golden parts, full of Akasha Ganga, Tirtham, scented appropriately with a mixture of cardamom, cloves, cinnamon barks, and green camphor, to be used in your daily Tirumanjanam, sacred bath. O Lord Venkateshwara, O Venkatachalapati, please awaken and bless them. May this dawn be auspicious to you. Even today, the Torappar belonging to the Vamsham of Tirumalai Nambi bring from Akasha Ganga Tirtham for the Lord's sacred appellations along with the Parimalam. They receive the first Tirtham at the Lord's Goshtis. So with this, today we concluded today's session. And tomorrow onwards, it will be, I think we are going to Singapore and the time difference is there. And the second thing, my phone has gone out of order. That is also Bhagavan's Thiruvilayadal. WhatsApp is not working. The screen has gone blank. But we have booked the ticket for participating in the anniversary functions in Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. And we will be returning only on Monday morning. So till such time, we will have the classes, but it will be the revision classes performed by Rajeshwari Udayatmarji and Nalini. The session will continue, but only the revision you have. It's Bhagavan's wish that you revise the shlokas also, at least 2 shlokas per day or 4 shlokas per day. You can revise it. Rajeshwari ma, that you kindly take care of that ma.
Yes, Shilji.
Yeah, and afterwards you kindly call me on landline because WhatsApp is not working. You can call me on landline because your number also I missed it. The entire phone has gone out and it is to be reformatted and one by one the process is going on. So SIM card is the same number, you can call me. So we will go for final prayers. Thank you all.
Okay, Guruji, will call you Guruji, and thank you so much, Guruji. Hope all the devotees got the Akasha Ganga Tirtham through you, Guruji, from Tirupati on this auspicious day. Thank you, devotees. Shall we proceed with the ending prayer, Ji? Pandima Devi Ji, please unmute Ji.
Yes, ma'am. Ending prayer சொல்லவா ma'am?
சொல்லுங்க.
श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम नाम वरानन ओम नमः इति हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, Pandima Ji. Thank you, devotees, for your consistent support. Keep trying, keep on trying. That is the only word we are going to motivate you. So only we will be getting chance with the Guruji and to recite this divine slokas. Thank you all. Happy
Thank you,
Chitra.
Rajeshwari ma. Thank you, Nalini Ji. Thank you, Aditya and Shyamala. Best wishes to all of you.
Thank you, Guruji.
All the student devotees. Thank you all. Thank you. Hari Bhaktas, thank you.
Thank you, Nalima. Thank you, Shyamala Ji and Aditya, and also for the divine platform given by the Sridharan sir, our beloved founder. Thank you all.
Rajeshwari ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணாலும் என் பேர் ஏன் மேம் வர மாட்டேங்குது?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணேல
நாளை நெக்ஸ்ட் குருஜி வந்தப்புறம் தரோம்மா, கண்டிப்பா நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம், கண்டிப்பா தரோம். ஓகேமா? உங்களுக்கு ஹிமபிந்து, கே ஜெயஸ்ரீ நிறைய நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
இல்ல அவங்க எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பண்ணிடுங்க. யாரு உங்க பேரு?
பாண்டி மாதேவி.
பண்ணியாச்சு.
இல்ல
குருஜியோட பண்ணலமா.
ஓ அப்படியா? நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி ரிசீவ் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னு நினைச்சேன் நான் குருஜியோட.
நோ 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 நோ, நான் தான் உங்களுக்கு மெசேஜ் போட்டேனே. நோ வரிஸ் பாண்டிமா. குருஜி வந்த அப்புறம் கண்டிப்பா சான்ஸ் உண்டு. ஓகேவா?
ஓகே மேம். தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
தேங்க்யூ.
Anyhow, you got the
மேடம்
chance to recite
புருஷோத்தமன்
prayer.
மணியப்பன் எனக்கு கூட குருஜியோட ஒரு சான்ஸ் கொடுங்க மேடம். அப்புறமா எப்ப சார் வந்த அப்புறம்.
கண்டிப்பா
But
நீங்க
you should bring PDF G.
PDF வச்சுங்கோ கையில.
கண்டிப்பா வச்சுக்கிறேன். நாளையில இருந்து வச்சுப்பேன் மேடம். வீட்டுக்கு போயிடுவேன்
Thank you,
நாளையில.
thank you,
தேங்க்யூ
Guruji.
தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ
Next Monday then I will be getting chance. Guruji will be
தேங்க்யூ
back on
தேங்க்யூ
Monday.
மேடம். காமா வெயிட்
Thank
பண்றேன் மேடம். நீங்க
thank you.
கூப்பிடுற வரைக்கும் நான். தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you. You can end the session.
Shamlama, you can end the recording and end the session.
We need YouTube recordings also, G, to share in the groups.
ஆமா. ஓகேம்மா, நான் உங்களை கூப்பிடுறேன்.
Okay.
பிங்கி கோயல். ஷாம்லாமா